So hello guys, this is my project etc. So in this video I will be going through the features which I have implemented and we can use in this project. So this is these cells, these small boxes are called cells, and we can see the address of a particular cell in this place. This is called the address bar, and these are the rows and these are the columns. So if I select this particular cell, then I can see the address of this cell over here. So like we can move anywhere and it will change accordingly. Okay, so if I write something over here, Excel, and I can change the functionality of this particular cell from these, like I want, let's say, cursive, and I want the icon size, font size to be 18, and I want it to be italic as well, and alignation I want it to be in center. So I can select all these functionality and it will stay as it is. Like if I currently I'm on A1 address, and if I go to D4, and I now thus you can see now D4 has all the default states, but if I go to A1 again, it will have all the state which we just assigned to Excel. So let's click on A1. So you can see here it is cursive, here it is 18, here we can see uh, italic to be selected and center alignation. So we can also add the background color to it. This is the font color. We want font color to be, let's say, something like yellow, and so it has changed to yellow, and we want the background color also to be changed to be to blue. And we should be clicking on this icon after selecting. So like I have selected blue, and to implement it I should click on the color icon. So now we can see it. Okay, so we can perform operations on all the cells differently. It will work perfectly fine. So let's do one more. And we want it to use underline as well, and we want it to be left align, right align, sorry. So we have done it. We want background color to be red. Okay, we want the font color to be, let's say, green. So we can see the changes. So this is working perfectly fine. Now we can download the sheet, and it will be downloaded in the JSON format. So like if I by using this icon we can download it. So as soon as I click on it, a file will be downloaded. So you can see that sheet data.json has been downloaded. Now we can upload this. We can upload any file which is present in JSON format, which we have downloaded, to upload on a different sheet. Like I create a new sheet, and we don't even need to select the new sheet. From here also we can upload it. Like let's say I am uploading, and this is the file which I just downloaded. So I'm selecting this one, and we can see that the sheet 2 is the one I just created, and the new file has gone to sheet 3. So this is the one which we were using currently, initially, sheet 1. Sheet 2 I added from here, and when I uploaded from sheet 1 using this icon, the same data has gone to sheet 3 as well. So this is for downloading and uploading a JSON file. So these are the features which are visible on here, and these three let's cover them also. So these three are for copy, cut and paste. In order to select cells, what we do is we press the control button and we click on this one. So now Excel has been selected. Now we need to keep the control key pressed, and now I have the control key is pressed. Now I'm selecting C4 as well. So what will happen is all the data from A1 to C3 will get selected, and I am just copying the data. So the data between this has been copied. Let's say I want to paste it over here. So what I will do is I have taken my icon to J4, and I'll click on the paste button, paste icon. So it has been copied. Now I want to delete this one. So again I'll select this by pressing the control key. I have selected this one using the cursor and this one also. So when on selecting, you can see the blue border. That means it has been selected. Now I am clicking on the cut icon. It will just cut the data between these cells A1 and C3. So let's do it. So it has been removed. So these are the basic functionality which you can implement. The only one which is left to see is the formula bar. And these are the dummy ones: home, insert, layout, help. These are the dummy ones. Only the one we can use are the displayed one. Okay, let's use the new sheet and let's assign some value to it. Like I want A1 to have 10 and B1 to have 20. Now in order to use formulas, what we need to do is we need to select the particular cell in which we want the assigned value. Right now I have selected C1 and I am assigning the value as A1 plus B1. So these values should be space separated and uh, the addresses should be right. Now when I press enter on C, it should be 10 plus 20 and it should have 30 as value. So you can see it is working fine. So this is how we can use the formula bar. Now only one feature is left to see, which is the cycle detection. So now for C we have the formula. Let me write so that we can remember it. We have the formula C1 plus B1. Now if I go to A1 again and I say that I want the value to be as C1. Now what do you think it should give us? You may say that it should give us 30, but it's not the case because the value of C is dependent on A1. So it should give us the cycle. So let's say C1 and I'm pressing the enter button. So it says that your formula form cycle. Do you want to trace path? If you want to trace path, then you need to press OK. Let's see what happens on pressing the OK button. So it will show us the cycle where the cycle has been formed. So the cycle has been formed over here. So it will again pop up and until we press the cancel button. Let's see it again. So the cycle was from A1 to C1 and to A1 again. So that where the cycle was formed. So now I'll press on the cancel button. So these were the basic functionality which I have implemented. So thank you.